So we are here. I think our bikes are still on over there, and this is the pit, the back of the pits anyway. So we've kind of skipped out the setting up part because it was long. Tyre warmers are on, GoPro's on. Yeah, I've got this tyre warmer because my other one kind of broke, which is Aaron's. I'll put his Instagram on the screen. We're just waiting, we've done our sighting lap. And this is the pit. So I'll tell you what, all the gear, no idea. Them coming round now. I'm leaving my road tyres on just for a few sessions, and then afterwards I'll change them to a set of scrubs, but I'll start off with these and see how I go. So many bikes, and then this bike here, Harley, is a 250. And he's beating most of the guys here. This bike is crazy. He's only 15 years old. I'll put his Instagram on the screen now. Make sure you give him a follow because this kid's going places. Look at it. But yeah, it's all fun. Let's see how I get on.